Part of our corrals team is headed out to the Crevice Mountain Patrol Cabin to help the backcountry rangers. Built in 1912, this historic cabin needs some preservation improvements, and our draft team is hauling the supplies. With the support of our nonprofit partner, Yellowstone Forever, our corrals operation owns and uses 115 head of stock to support various projects like this throughout the park. The work we do also supports 5 trail crews and various research projects like the Yellowstone Native Fish Conservation Program and the Interagency Grizzly Bear Study Team. Over the course of the year, we haul around 40,000 pounds of supplies over 1,700 miles to remote areas of the park. Not only does the corrals operation support other programs, but it also carries on the storied traditions of stock use in Yellowstone. It's a program that I'm proud to be a part of. My name is Josiah Funk, Yellowstone Corrals Manager.